Hello YouTube friends. A little bit cool today. We've had some rain. We're supposed to have 100% chance of rain tomorrow. So we're over here in the cabin today, kind of fooling around just a little bit. But I want to do a review video today. I don't do a whole lot of review videos, but I do want to go over something with you. So let me show you what I got going on over here in the corner. I want to go over this little heater. That's a portable buddy, Mr. Heater. And I believe they call it a little buddy. I'm not sure about that, but indoor safe, portable, radiant heat. It's got all the instructions. If you turn it over in the night, it has an automatic shut off on it. But I've been in here running this today. It takes a 1 pound tank of propane that screws in. Simple, very simple, easy to work. There we go, portable buddy, Mr. Heater. Let's crank it up. It has a little pilot light. You have to light that first, you'll see it. There we go. Then you put it on low, right there. And it works pretty good. On low, it will run for about 5.5 hours on a tank of that gas. On high, it'll run about 2.5 hours. But we were real impressed with the Mr. Heater. We were so impressed that we went and bought another one. And I'll tell you what, it'll get the chill right out of this cabin, and I'm impressed with that. Of course, it's not real cold out here either. Now that's on low right there. Putting out some real nice heat. Let's crank it up to high and see what she does. Oh yeah. I gotta say that I'm very impressed. I'm very impressed with this little heater, Mr. Heater. And we used one of them in and out of the teardrop. Brenda and the grandsons was in there, and we'd have to warm the teardrop up in the night there, get it cozy warm, and they were all back to bed. And then I would turn this one on in the tent for about 15 minutes. Got the tent nice and warm. I crawled back under the wool blankets. I was good to go. But anyway, I did want to go over the little heater there and tell you about it. You can pick it up and you can carry it around as well. We actually used both of them sitting on a table outside on Sunday morning. We were out of firewood, and we were kind of gathered around the heaters there with a wool blanket on, and we fared fairly well. Did pretty good. But let me turn it back down on low. You got to push down on it. Turn it on down on low. And it's very simple. And if you go to turn it off, and you don't want to turn it completely off, the pilot will keep burning. And you can crank it right back up. But anyway, This is my review on the Mr. Heater Portable Buddy. I hope you enjoy watching it. Watching the video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, share the video, like the video. And if you feel like subbing to the channel, you feel free to do so. Indeed. Make yourself at home. We'll catch you on the next video.